Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to Dr. Carminati's YouTube channel, where we explore cutting-edge tools and strategies to elevate your work and spark innovation. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us. Today, we're diving into the 3 most common use cases for AI agents, highlighting where automation transforms processes and where human expertise remains essential. I want to hear from you. Drop your video ideas, share your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe with the bell icon to stay updated. Let's create a community of innovators and learners. Ready? Let's get into it. AI agents are revolutionizing businesses' operations, automating repetitive tasks, and amplifying human potential. But not every task is a fit for automation. Some demand human judgment, creativity, or intuition. This video will explore 3 high-impact use cases where AI agents excel: cybersecurity, threat detection, data analysis and reporting, and inventory management. We'll also identify scenarios where human oversight is irreplaceable. Drawing from a guide in the description below on implementing AI agents, I'll break down each use case with practical steps, making it accessible even if you're new to AI. Whether you're a business owner, tech enthusiast, or team leader, this video equips you to harness AI effectively. Let's dive into these use cases and discover how to balance automation with human brilliance. Use case 1. Cybersecurity threat detection. With cyber attacks growing in frequency and sophistication, businesses face constant risks: phishing attempts, malware, and unauthorized access. AI agents excel at monitoring systems in real time, identifying threats faster than humans can. Imagine a Mars AI agent powered by platforms like Splunk or CrowdStrike, scanning your network 24/7. It analyzes logs, detects anomalies like unusual login attempts, and flags potential threats, such as a brute force attack, within seconds. This allows your team to respond swiftly, minimizing damage and downtime. To implement this, use the guide's phases. In assessment, classify threat detection as a high-frequency, medium-precision task. 90% accuracy is often enough to flag issues for human review. Audit data access. Ensure your security information and event management (CM) system provides API access to logs and alerts. Address compliance, like GDPR or NIST RMF, for user data to avoid legal issues. Define metrics, such as reducing detection time from 30 minutes to under 5 minutes. During implementation, start with a pilot, like monitoring login activity. Test with historical attack data to verify accuracy, then integrate with your security dashboard for alerts. Measure success by tracking detection speed and false positive rates, refining the agent to reduce noise. However, not all cybersecurity tasks suit automation. Responding to a sophisticated breach, like a targeted ransomware attack, requires human expertise. An AI agent can flag the issue, but a cybersecurity analyst investigates, traces the attack's origin, and coordinates containment. Similarly, developing a long-term security strategy, say updating policies after a new regulation, demands human foresight and industry knowledge. Tasks involving ethical decisions or complex problem-solving, like negotiating with threat actors, rely on humans. Pair AI for rapid detection with human analysts for strategic response to build a robust defense. Use case 2. Data analysis and reporting. Next, data analysis and reporting. Businesses swim in data: sales stats, website metrics, customer trends. Manually compiling reports is time-consuming and error-prone. AI agents shine here, processing massive data sets and generating insights quickly. For example, an Power BI or Tableau agent pulls sales data from your ERP, identifies patterns like a spike in demand for a product, and creates a polished report in minutes. It highlights anomalies such as a sudden drop in conversions, empowering you to act fast without wading through spreadsheets. Assess reporting tasks as high-frequency, low-precision opportunities. Confirm data readiness. Ensure APIs connect to your systems and data is clean. Set metrics like slashing report creation from 4 hours to 20 minutes. Implement a pilot, documenting the workflow, and testing with past data. Integrate with tools like Google Sheets for seamless sharing. Measure time saved and accuracy, iterating to add features like custom charts. But strategic interpretation needs humans. An AI can spot a sales dip, but a human links it to a market shift or competitor move, crafting a response like a new campaign. Presenting insights to executives also benefits from human storytelling in conveying impact. Use AI for data crunching and use humans for strategy. Use Case 3, inventory management. Finally, inventory management. Retailers, warehouses, and manufacturers juggle stock levels, forecasts, and reordering. AI agents optimize this, predicting demand and automating orders. For instance, an agent on NetSuite analyzes sales trends, seasonal patterns, and supplier lead times, then reorders stock to avoid shortages or excess. A grocery chain might use an agent to keep high-demand items like fresh produce stocked during peak seasons, cutting manual work by 60%. Assess inventory tasks as high-frequency, medium-precision candidates. Verify data access from your inventory system and ensure accuracy, such as correct SKU counts. Define metrics, like reducing overstock by 40%. Implement a pilot for one product category, testing with historical data. Integrate with your ERP, ensuring compatibility, and measure cost savings or stock-out reductions. Refine based on feedback, like tweaking reorder thresholds. However, tasks like negotiating supplier contracts or handling disruptions, such as a shipping delay, need human judgment. An AI flags low stock, but a human secures better terms or finds backup suppliers. Strategic decisions, like shifting to a lean inventory model, also require human insight. AI manages routine tasks. Humans handle relationships and strategy, balancing automation and human expertise. These use cases, cybersecurity threat detection, data analysis, and inventory management, demonstrate AI agents' ability to save time, enhance accuracy, and scale operations. They thrive in repetitive, data-heavy tasks, delivering speed and consistency. But automation has limits. Tasks requiring empathy, creativity, or complex decision-making, like crafting security strategies, interpreting data for business moves, or negotiating deals, depend on human expertise. The magic lies in balance. Let AI handle the routine, freeing humans for high-impact, strategic work. AI agents are reshaping how we work. There's so much more to explore. Check out platforms like Splunk for cybersecurity, Tableau for data, or Zapier for inventory automation. Research how your industry uses AI, retail, healthcare, or finance. There's inspiration everywhere. Start small, maybe automating a single report or monitoring task, and scale as you learn. The tech landscape is brimming with potential, but your curiosity and experimentation will unlock it. Embrace mistakes as stepping stones and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. What a journey through AI agents. We've uncovered how they transform cybersecurity, data analysis, inventory management, and where humans still steal the show. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts, experiences, or video ideas in the comments. Have you dabbled in AI automation? Tell us what worked. If this video sparked ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more game-changing insights. Let's keep this conversation alive and inspire each other. Until next time, stay curious, and I'll see you in the comments.